Ito!
Napindot ko na.
Sigurado ka?
Hello guys.
Hindi naman nagbi-blink-blink.
Hindi talaga mag-blink-blink.
Sabuhin mo ah.
Lagi na lang ginagamit. Di pa rin alam kung paano. Hello ulit guys.
Hello ulit guys. Welcome sa ating DL at CBDL. Yan. Okay. So, ang title ng ating
Istorya.
istorya for today ay In the Cage.
What?
Yes. In the Cage.
In the case yung
Oh,
Japanese.
basahin mo.
Oo nga. In the KG. Ano ka na ko dyan?
So, story. Loved and tossed around by elite alphas.
May gabas story.
Ha? Oo. Megaverse. Haru and Omega is in relationship with AG and Alpha, who is also his childhood friend. But AG, who is from elite family, already had his fiancée, and Haru always came in second. Renji and Alpha, an older brother of AG and Haru's first love, appeared in front of him. I came to pick you up, Renji told Haru. Where will this complicated love triangle lead to?
May kapatid. Yung chorba niya. Okay.
So basically, nagsimula ang story na bata pa sila.
Okay.
So, nasa isang party sila na parang yung mga adults doon sasabi na don't go near him, he's an Omega, blah blah blah. Typical Omega story na shunned ang Omegas. So, then dumating silang dalawang magkapatid, si Renji na older, tsaka si AG. Tapos parang pagkakasabi ni Renji, old hags, parang hindi, may binanggit kasi siya na term, old hags, sinabi niya, parang kayo ba mga natatanda kayo, wala kayo bang maisip gawin, parang something ganyan. Tapos sabi niya pa, sabi niya pa, tapos may sinabi yung matanda sinabi yung babae na, he's an Omega, you shouldn't go near him, blah, blah, blah. Tapos sabi ni Renji, oh, what? Yung older. Sabi ni Renji, so now you're telling me what to do? Ang ginamit niya na, parang ikaw, sasabi mo kung ano dapat kong gawin? Ikaw? Parang ganun. Ha? Babae eh. Alpha, syempre, kapag ka mga lalaki, as usual, higher level ang mga lalaki, lalo na pang alpha. So, since they're both alphas, pero, tapos, after niya sabihan yung matanda, sabi ni Renji, hindi. So, lumapit si Renji kay Haru. Tapos nasabi ni Haru, I'm sorry, don't talk to me, I'm an Omega. I'm sorry, I'm an Omega. Hindi, nakatayo lang siya doon. It's best you don't talk. Parang gano'n, huwag mo lang kausapin. Kasi I'm an Omega. I'm sorry, I'm an Omega. You shouldn't talk to me. Kasi sabi nila, anong pangalan mo? Sabi niya, my name is Mochizuki Haru. Haru is such a good name. Pretty like you are. Parang gano'n. Tapos nag-time skip. High school na sila. In a relationship si AJ at saka si Haru. Younger brother. Pero as mentioned may nakalaan lang fiancé sa kanya. So they're still in high school. They're both in high school. Alpha yung isa.
Yung partner.
Lalaki. Alpha lalaki. So it seems like hindi nagmamatter masyado sa kanila yung kung babae lalaki. It doesn't say kung pati alpha nanganganak sa kanila. It doesn't say.
It did not mention. Okay.
So, as mentioned, laging second priority si hindi option, second priority. So every time sasabihin ni AJ na tumawag si
Joanne, si Betrol.
si Betrol, si fiancé. He's having trouble, he's sick, ganyan-ganyan. I need to take care of him. So, ang itsura niya, na syempre, balungkot.
Yung fiancé lalaki.
Oo. Balungkot na, I understand, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ni Haro, I understand that you have to prioritize him, blah, blah, blah. Kasi, he's only an Omega. So, ganun yung ano nila, yung mundo nila at this point. Tapos, one time, magmi-meet dapat sila, parang, magmi-meet dapat sila ni AJ.
Yung iba yung ano nila, straw nila, hindi purple.
Baka naubusan.
What's this? Like yung mix ba?
Wait,
Takay ba?
Hindi.
So, like, kung mix kasi
So, tawag dito, nung magkikita sila dapat the following day yata or sometime soon or weekend. Nag-aantay siya for 30 minutes na. 30 minutes na siya nag-aantay sa kung saan yung like meet up talaga nila usual. Tapos kalang tumawag sa kanya na
Hindi siya pwede.
hindi siya makakarating kasi si fiancé may sakit ulit. I need to stay by his side, blah, blah, blah. Tapos nung dumating si kuya, doon sa playground or doon sa meet-up place nila. Tapos habang kausap siya ni tapos sinabihan siya kinuha ni Renji yung phone. Sabi, don't worry, he's not alone, blah, blah, blah. Parang ganun, tapos binaba niya yung phone. Tapos nag-usap silang dalawa, parang sabi nito, I came back for you.
Came back?
Umalis siya eh. Naglaho siya.
Okay.
Sabi ni Haro, why did you come back? You left me behind. You said you don't need me anymore. You said that
So talaga nagkaroon din sila yung relation before? Or nasa side?
you said that you're tired of being with an Omega, that you only pity, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, what are you saying? Did you not get my letter? Ganon. Yan, di, ganon. Tapos, sabi niya, parang,
What letter? Ganun.
I don't understand what you're saying, ganyan. Tapos, iniwan niya si Renji, umuwi siya. Tapos, habang papauwi siya, sabi, feeling niya na, inhit siya. Sabi niya, it's not yet time na inhit ako, ganyan. Tapos pumasok siya doon sa loob ng bahay nila. Nandun yung nanay. So, why are you acting like that? Are you in him?
Nanay niya?
Oo. I told you not to go outside, blah, blah, blah. Nung bata pala siya, kapag lumalabas yung pheromone niya, kahit konti lang, kinukulong siya sa kwarto. Hindi siya pinapalabas, siya pinapakain. Kasi yung family niya, all alphas. Kahit yung nanay. Hindi, stepmother pala to. Kasi yung una, namatay yata. Tapos yung tatay, married an alpha girl. Tapos meron silang alpha kid. And si Haro, siya, ostracized. Tapos yun, nung ikukulong na dapat siya sa kwarto, tumakas siya, umalis siya, lumabas siya. Tapos nagtatago siya somewhere sa isang gilid. Tapos tinawagan siya ni AG. Sabi ni AJ, I've been trying to call you, ganyan. Are you still with Haru? With Regine-san? No, I left him already, blah, blah, blah. Why does your voice sound like that? Sabi niya, tapos naisip niya na parang he's going to be a burden kasi nga nasa tabi siya ni fiancé, ganyan. So sabi niya, it's nothing, I'm fine. Tapos, binaba niya yung phone. Tapos, hinimatay siya. Hinimatay siya. Tapos may kumuha sa kanya. Doon siya sa kotse. Tapos pagising niya, nasa bahay siya ni Renji. Tapos sinabi sa kanya ni Renji na, I left because I needed to do some things. I need to prepare so that I can be with you. I came home to take you back with me. Sabi niya ganon.
Okay.
Tapos, parang sabi niya, no, I don't believe you, blah, 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 ganyan.
Na-intriga ako sa letter. Anyway.
So, tapos ang sabi niya na, parang, I decided, yung pala, nung bata pa sila, unang kita pa lang ni Reggie sa kanya, he already felt na this person is my fate, o my fated, ganon. Tapos,
Paano yung jowa na kapatid?
may ganito nga. Parang tapos sabi niya pa na, ano, dun sa parang flashback.
Backlash siya.
Hindi, isasabihin ko sa backstory. Sa flashback na kinausap niya yung tatay niya na Ichijo. Na Ichijo.
Nakausap mo din.
Hindi, yun yung surname nila. Ichijo. Renji Ichijo. Sabi ni Ichijo, sabi niya, he will increase the sales multiple times and he will make the company much bigger and he will succeed with the company overseas, ganyan.
Basta allow him to whatever.
Hindi, but sabi niya, when I do that, I want you to let me leave the Ichijo family and I want you to let me choose who I want to marry. So, yun yung ano niya. Yun yung condition. Hindi sinabi kung sino. Hindi niya rin sinabi kung anong gender.
Pero kumain kita.
Sinabi nito, as long as you can do it, okay. Tapos, doon siya umalis. Tapos, pagbalik niya sa school, kasi ilang araw siyang nawala dahil nga, dahil sa hit niya. Pero walang nangyari sa kanila. Walang nangyari sa kanila. So, siguro, in-injection siya ng gamot o pinainom ng gamot. Tapos, nung pagbalik sa school, nalaman pala ni AG na kinuha ni Reggie si Haru na buhat-buhat sa pagsakay ng kotse kasi nakita pala ng nanay ni fiancé. Chinucho. Siyempre, pinag-uusapan daw sa household nila yung si Reggie. Nakita-kita nga na nagbibuhat-buhat na Omega. Hindi nga nagalit itong si
Bakit ka kinakalantari?
Hindi nagalit si AG. Na hinanap niya si
Nagalit siya bigla.
Ay, hindi. Ang sabi niya, nag-uusap sila. Sabi niya, I thought that you're only taking care of him because you want to steal him from your brother. And kaya mo siya binigyan ng collar because you're treating him as a pet.
Sabi ng nanay?
Hindi, sabi ng fiancé. Kasi yun yung pagkakasabi niya kay fiancé. Kaya sabi niya, that's why I've been letting you spend time with him because I thought he's only your plaything. You don't even like Omegas. Sabi gano'n ni fiancé. Ganun, mas mapala galing niya. Tapos, narinig yun ni Haru. Ngayon, nung hinahanap na ngayon ni AJ si Haru,
Paano niya narinig?
nasa school na sila.
Sa school niya narinig?
Oo, nag-uusap sila parang tanga, diba? Mag-usap tayo sa school pa.
Okay.
Hindi narinig ni Haru yun. Tapos nung hinahanap siya ni AJ, sabi ni Haru, it's okay, you don't have to... hindi. Nasa classroom siya, minessage niya sinabi niya kasi kay Reggie na I will end things with him parang finally, yung properly. Tapos, minessage niya lang na sabi niya, let's break up, let's end this. Tapos, dumating sa classroom nila si AG, hinila siyang ganyan. Tapos,
Yung ba sa totoo ugali?
tapos, as much as possible, hindi sila nagpapakita sa school at all na,
Together?
oo, at all. Tapos, nung nag-uusap na sila, sabi, you don't have to care for me anymore. You don't have to pretend that you actually love me, blah, blah, ganyan. I heard. Parang sinasabi niya na,
Alam ko na.
oo. Ang sabi nito ni Haru, how did you know? Parang ganyan. Kasi tanong niya pa na,
Pulot ka pa. Pulot ka?
ang tanong niya pa na, why were you with Reggie? I thought you said na hindi na kayo magkasama, ganyan-ganyan. Did he parang chuba-chuba, something. Hindi yun. Tapos sabi niya, it doesn't matter, you don't have to be with me anymore, just be with your fiancé, blah, blah, blah. Tapos ang sabi niya pa, ay, hindi pa pala. Fwa. Tapos, siya, iniwanan niya si AG. Ay, tumawag kasi si Haru. Ay, tumawag si... Parang skills lang, ano.
Skills.
Tumawag si Renji. Sabi niya, are you okay? Sabi niya, yes, I'm fine. Blah, blah, blah. I called you because I know you're not okay. Sabi niya, I'm waiting for you outside the school gate.
Okay.
And then sabi niya, come Haru. Tapos, tumakbo si Haru. Tapos hanap si AG sa kanya. Nakaikot ng ganyan.
Bakit pa harap? Bakit property kasi niya, feeling niya?
Nakita niya na tumatakbo si Haru sa palabas ng gate. Hindi sa story naman ako. Palabas ng gate. Tapos nakita niya na nasa may gate na nag-hug silang gano'n. Yung patakbong pabuhat na ganyan. Doon na nagawa si AG. Tapos sumal sila. Tapos ang backstory nito ni AG. Same sort pala sila.
Same one?
So, nung una nila nakita si ano.
Ah? Ano ba yun?
Parang hindi eh. Kasi parang ang kay
Naisip nila ownership.
ang kay AG, nakita lang na parang this person so beautiful, ganyan. Tapos ang narinig niya kay Renji, whatever, na I found it. Yun yung narinig niya na binanggit ni Renji nung katabi niya si AG. Nung mga bata pa lang sila, I found it. Tapos yung mukha niya parang possessive. Yung parang nabubuang na possessive, ganun.
Si AG.
Si Renji.
Si Renji.
So, parang napatingin siya gano'n kay na sabi, I found him first. Parang sabi ni AG sa sarili niya na, I was the one who saw him first. Parang gano'n.
So, possessive nga siya.
Oo, tapos sabi niya na,
Taking ownership, akala niya naman.
nakaharap niya yung letter ni
Kasi binigay sa kanya binigay?
hindi, kinuha niya, tinago niya. Hindi niya binigay. Binasa niya and everything.
Paano nakuha?
Siguro iniwan sa kasambahay or sa guard or something para ibigay. Pero hindi binigay at obviously.
Oy, oo. Ito
Tapos, tawag dito? Sabi niya na yung flashback na sinabi niya kay Regina, ay kay Haru na Nissan left because he doesn't want you anymore. He just thinks you're a burden, blah, 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 ganyan. It's because you're an Omega, ganyan. Sabi niya, but I'll be with you, I'll stay by your side, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, ang ano niya, he already has a fiancé dahil yun nga yung gusto ng parents. Pero, yung napansin niya daw na middle school pa lang sila. Even if they were together, nasa isip pa rin ni Haru is si Kuya. Si Kuya. Pero napansin niya daw na every time na he prioritizes fiancé, he can feel he can feel that his gaze is like begging for him to be with him. So parang na-addict siya dun sa feeling na yun. So every time that he prioritizes
nararamdaman niya na gusto siya ni ano.
Oo. So parang na-addict siya dun sa feeling na yun na every time na prioritize niya, nandun yung tingin, nandun yung parang longing na tingin, ganyan. Tapos pag binigyan niya ng attention the following day, parang he feels loved. Ganon. Tapos ang sabi niya pa na, hindi ko napansin na slowly yung vision or yung ano yung feelings behind the gaze is not there anymore. It was losing its spark or it was fading, ganyan ang pagkakasabi niya.
Sobrahan na kasi.
Oh, I did not notice that. Or sabi niya, oh, maybe I didn't notice it, but I never paid attention. Sabi niya, gano'n. Parang gano'n sa isip.
Parang naging kampante siya.
Kasi Haru's mine. So, I told him, I want him to be mine. Parang gano'n. Kaya nga binigyan ng collar. So, binigyan niya ng collar. Dalawang susi lang. Isa sa kanya at isa kay Haru. Tapos, nung ano na, nung nandun ulit si Haru sa bahay ni Reggie, sinabi niya na kay Reggie na tanggalin na yung collar. So, sabi, hindi tinanggal yung collar, sabi niya, I can finally breathe, blah, 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 ganyan. Kasi sabi sa kanya ni Haru na, it's really, ano yung pagkakasabi niya? Basta something niya na, I really was planning to take you with me. That's why it just took me a little bit long time. Pero, he had to prepare everything. Sabi niya ganyan, isip niya na, sabi niya na,
Hindi pa rin niya alam na ginago siya ni AJ.
Nino?
Ni Kuya.
Obviously, alam. Kasi hindi niya alam ni
So, nagtuwa
Haru.
sa kapatid niya na ibibigay yung letter and then...
Hindi wala naman sinabing gano'n eh.
Pero most likely ganun. Nagago ko. Sorry for the friend.
So, yung kuya, sabi nga na, let's just do something that you want. Pero sabi nito ni Haru na, I don't want anything. I just want to live a quiet life. I don't want to be judged, blah, 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 ganyan. Kasi I don't want to be seen outside and be deemed as just an Omega na walang kwenta, ganyan, ganyan. Like a burden to society, ganyan. Yan sabi nga nito ni Renji, let's go on a date. So they went outside. Tapos habang naglalakad sila, lagi nasa likod nagtatago si Haru. Kasi sabi niya, someone might see us from your family, from the school. They might create a rumor. I don't want anyone to kind of badmouth you because you're with me. Sabi ganun ni Haru. Si AJ walang pake. Sabi ni AJ na, doesn't matter. No one will know, blah, blah, blah. And I want to brag everyone about you. I want to brag to everyone about you. Mm-hmm. Tapos ano na siya?
Durog.
Ano na?
Durog nila.
Nagpunta sila ng aquarium, nag-ikot-ikot sila. Tapos, sabi ni Reggie na, ever since I met you, I knew that you were my fated mate. Ano yung pagkakasabi niya?
Tapos na yan?
Oo.
Sa side comments kasi ako mamaya.
Teka. Ito. Ito part na to. I bet you hate your gender because of those painful experiences, but I'm glad you were born in Omega. An alpha of an elite family is just a title. I only felt restraint and hardships. I even felt disgust when I thought I was the same as that Rotten family, but it was the first time I felt happy that I was born as an alpha when I met you, Haru. Because only alphas can become mates with Omegas.
True.
Sabi niya, If we become mates, I don't have to worry about someone taking you. That is if you choose me.
Oo, kasi nga naman, pag naging vacant sila, that's it.
Oo. So,
Kami pag
yun yung
nag-bond
ano
sila,
niya.
yun.
So, sabi niya,
Inumit sana ulit si AD.
ex na ulit.
Okay.
So, sabi niya, I should go back to home and to school to settle it myself. So, if I settle everything, I will answer you properly. So, sabi niya na, you're really kind, Reggie. Renji pala, Renji. Sure na to. Yun, sabi ni Renji, no, it's only to you. So, sabi niya ganun. Bumalik siya sa school. Tapos,
Kaya naman si ano.
hindi, bumalik siya sa school. Tapos, everyone's talking about him, of course. And AG, kasi nga nangyari yung habulan, eksena, ganyan.
Tama na nila.
Oo. Tapos, inutusan siya. Magkahiwalay kasi yung alphas and omega sa school. So, inutusan siya ng teacher na dalhin yung journal notebook, yung diaries sa classroom. Tapos ang sabi nito ni fiancé Alpha, let me help you.
Okay.
May help daw ko, no? Tapos pumasok sila sa isang room. Tapos sabi ni AG, sabi ni Haro, thank you for helping me, ganyan. Tapos, etong si Gago, nilak yung pinto. May dalawang alpha sa loob. Balaki iparate si Haru. Tapos,
Bad people.
nakuha ni fiancé yung susi ni AG.
So, pala ko ipakagat?
Oo.
Ako din.
Tapos para pagkakasabi na, once you've been defiled, Renji will throw you away because you're just an omega, blah, blah, blah. Usual.
Gusto yung fiancé ko, Renji.
Hindi, kay AG.
Eh, sabi mo kasi Renji. Renji.
Oo, si Renji kasi parang niya na no one will want you anymore once you've become used. Oo, parang ganon.
Okay.
Tapos, dumating si AG. Kasi narinig nung mga nag-uusap na sa hallway na first time daw itong si fiancé nagpunta doon sa area nila.
So, kumalat yung uso. Antok, so may something.
Oo, tapos yun. Nakita ni AG kung nasaan sila. Pinigilan. Kasi injectionan ng
Pero mo,
hindi, ng,
pang...
oo, inducer. Dumating si AG. Tapos yun, tawag dito, he arrived there on time.
Okay.
Hindi na
Bago pa
injectionan,
mangyari.
hindi siya na injectionan. Tapos, naligtas siya ni AG.
Okay.
Kasalanan din naman niya, but still, niligtas siya ni AG. Tapos, they left. Tapos, ang nandun na lang sa kwarto is si fiancé. Dumating si Renji. Sabi niya, I know everything. Tapos, tinuro niya yung kasi, iba na pala yung collar niya.
So kahit gabi, isusian na hindi na pala
Oo.
matatanggal.
Wala nang keyhole.
Okay.
Wala nang keyhole. Tapos merong parang
Touch.
voice.
Voice activated na siya.
Oo, may voice kaya narinig ni AG lahat. Ni Renji lahat.
Tracker.
Sabi niya,
Koray nun
sabi niya na,
So kahit naman pala hindi nila din
oo,
ma-open.
hindi nga na ito sabi, sabi nito, hey, this doesn't have a keyhole, that's impossible. Sabi niya, don't touch me. Tapos, syempre napansin ni AG na, your collar, you've changed it. Oo, sabi niya ganyan. Sabi niya, I was always jealous of your relationship with Nissan. I wanted you to look only at me. So I purposely prioritized, ito pala yung pangalan ng fiancé, Yuzuki over you. I lost to my weakness and continuously hurt your feelings all this time. I'm really sorry. Tapos, binigay niya na yung letter. Sabi niya na, I hurt you so many times, but I want to stay by your side. I love you. I will never make those mistakes again. I want you to let me protect you. It can't be anyone but you. Please choose me.
Mama ka.
Ganon. Tapos ito sabi ni Renji, even if Haru was violated by others, I would never do a thing like throwing him away. Tapos sabi niya, ito, yung tinuro niya yung, sabi niya, why do you know that lang? Tinuro niya yung collar. Sabi niya, to tell the truth, I don't want him to wear something like that. It's just in case people like you are around. So I asked him to wear that when he's away from me. I didn't know it would become useful this fast. So, sabi niya ganon. Tapos, binasa na ni
Yung letter.
ay, binasa na ba kaagad? Eto, nakita na sila. Nakita na sila, magkasama si Haro at si AG. Lalakad sila pa, ganyan. Tapos dumating si Renji. Sabi niya, let's go. Parang, let's go back. Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos ang sabi nito ni AG, I don't want you to take him. I don't want to let go of him. Tapos ang sabi niya gano'n. Tapos ang sabi niya, I only need Haro. I don't need anything if Haro is here with me. That's why I gave you everything that was on me like a pile of garbage. Kasi nga binigay niya lahat eh. So Ichijo, parents, Kitazono, si Yuzuki fiance. So do you plan to make Haru live his whole life with shitty people like them? Sabi niya ganon. So, while you treated him cruelly while I was gone, protect you don't even have the courage to choose Haru. And don't you see how powerless you are? So, sabi ni Renji, let's go Haru. Nag-hesitate siya. Tapos ang sabi niya, are you scared of me? Tapos nung umalis, sa kanya na-realize na, no, I made him feel like that. I made him make that face. So parang na-shock siya to the core. So,
Sinabol niya.
hinabol niya. Pero ito sabi ni AJ, Nisan is a horrible person. I don't want you to be with a horrible person like him. Sabi niya, but he said, Renji-kun told me that he is happy that I was born an Omega. So sabi niya, I don't want to be separated with Renji-kun, and then he left. Hinanap niya ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi niya nakita. As in, inabot siya ng gawin, hindi niya nakita. So,
Baka naman kasi wala yung hinapan niya.
hindi niya man alam kung saan hanapan eh. So, nung gabi na, nakita siya ni AG. Binigay na yung letter. Ito yung sabi sa letter, to Haru, I'm sorry I couldn't stay beside you to protect you. We'll be separated for now, but I will come and get you to protect you forever. That's why, wait for me, Haru, my soulmate. Yan. Tapos ngayon, sinabi ni AG na may gathering kinabukasan yung family nila. And of course, Renji will be there as the head of the group. Hindi nagpunta siya doon. So, siyempre, as usual, so, isn't that an Omega from Mochizuki? Why did he come here? No way, who let him in? Ganun. So, sinabi niya na, I came to get you, I love you, blah, blah, blah. So, they were together. Kasi sabi ni Renji, na you don't have the right to complain about who will be my mate. Right, Ichijo-san. Sabi niya, gano'n.
Enjoyment sila.
Kasi ito na yung sabi niya, this is the last chance for you to go back. Kasi papasok na sila sa kwarto. Sabi niya, if you step inside, even if you beg and cry, I will never let you go. So, you heard from AG, right? I'm not a kind person like you imagine. I want you to only look at me and think only of me. You should only want me, and I want to make it so you cannot live without me. I want to lock you up. Those are my thoughts, and they still in my mind right now. That's what it means to accept me as your mate. So, sabi niya gano'n. So, sabi niya kay Reggie, I already can't live without you. Ganyan, di may nangyari na sa kanila. Na-hit siya, na-trigger yung hit niya. So it just says na,
Sila talaga ang mate.
oo, na parang yung katawan ni Haru was forcing him to become mates with Renji. So, ganun. Tapos, yun, naging mate na sila this part. So, finally, I can make you all mine. Ganyan. Yan, bite. Yan. Tapos, di okay na. Ito yung pagkakasabi niya na, ito nag-usap sila ni AG. I was always envious of you, Nissan, that was in Haru's heart. I wanted to be his fated partner. Sabi ni Haru, ay sabi ni Renji, that's impossible for you. What do you think a fated partner is? They get pulled by their instinct and form a bond that everyone would get jealous of, and lastly will become mates. It's not beautiful like that. You desire that person enough to even throw your family away. You want to obtain him and put a mark where whatever method you use. When you finally have him, you don't want to show him to anyone else's eye. You don't want others to touch him, his side, voice, breath, and even a single strand of his hair. I might go crazy if I don't make him all mine. So
So,
sabi
nagawa
niya,
niya magstay away for a long time, no?
so sabi niya, to Haru, he doesn't have family, freedom, or an escape route except for me. In exchange for that, I will give him everything. So it's impossible for you, who couldn't choose only Haru. You're the one who let go of his hand. Sabi niya ganun.
So, naman.
So,
Kasi sabi niya kasi gusto niya, pero may fiancé siya.
oo. At saka parang he can't give up anything.
Yung wealth niya.
Oo. So he just wants everything. Including Haru, pero he can't give up anything. Ganyan. So yun yung ending. Pero, of course, may
Pag-preview.
may extra. So, ito yung silang dalawa.
Yeah.
Oo. So, ilang years na yata sila dito. So, of course, busy si Haru, busy si Renji, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, malapit ng hit ni, kaya siya ganyan daw. He's always sticking next to Renji whenever his hit comes. So, dahil busy ang schedule niya, meron siya ng alas 10, 10:30, alas 12, alas 5, alas 6. Schedules, appointments. So, yung alas 6 niya, party.
Okay.
Di pumunta pa rin siya. Tapos, sabi nung nagpa-attend sa kanya, Ian ang pangalan, na gusto makilala ng lahat yung partner niya kasi rumors have been going around that you have been married, you have a mate, you have been married, and you brought your little bird from Japan. So, nasa ibang bansa na sila.
Okay.
Time skip. So, sabi ni Renji, I will not let you meet him. However, if you found a partner that you can cherish the most, then I'll consider meeting him up with you. So,
Kailangan may partner na muna bago niya
Oo.
pag-meet.
So,
Delicates.
yes, yun yung niya. So, pagkakasabi niya, so Ian, you two don't like to show your precious treasure to anyone, right? Sabi niya, gano'n. So, nung umalis na si Renji, sabi niya, all I can say is that you girls are no match for his mate. So, tinanong nung iba na, is it true that he loves him dearly? Sa isip-sip niya, not just dearly. I wonder who's the one who got captured everything to his soul and was put inside the cage. So, yung sa
Kaya
isip-sip,
pala in the cage.
oo.
In the cage. As in. Katakana. In the cage.
So, yun yung ending.
Alam mo, sa lahat ng story na panento mo na may brother-brother daw, yun siya pinakasalbahe.
Oo, di ba?
Kasi yung isa, hindi naman niya sinasadya na iba pala yung mate niya.
Oo.
Same dun sa dalawang storya na gano'n.
Di ba? Sa mga ugali niya. At saka yung parang paglaruan mo yung feelings ng tao. So, I like the representation ng fated pair dito. Hindi na siya
He has to
labi-dabi.
do everything.
Oh, hindi siya labi-dabi. It's very possessive. It's very, parang carnal if you think about it na,
Primate lang.
oo, talaga na, don't even look at anyone. Parang ganun eh. So, eto nga yung sabi ng isang comment eh.
Kasama talaga sa group sa atin naman. Oh, medyo was.
Possible.
Okay, tuloy.
So,
Sabi ng comment,
teka, hinahanap ko yung comment. Ito, I kinda like the way that they describe the fated pair thing in this one. This isn't like being in a fairy tale, and it's in fact sort of an ugly obsession with that one person to the point that you can't care for anyone else. Very different than how it's usually presented. And it feels more fitting with the rest of the Megaverse. Sa totoo lang kasi gano'n naman talaga ito, especially nung yung storya nung kambal.
yun.
Di ba? Hindi siya labi-dabi eh. It's very,
Imagine mo kung ganyan yung setting doon sa kambal na yun, magkaaway talaga sila ng bongga-bongga.
iba talaga, iba. So, eto, I agree 100% with what you said, that about the true face of Fated Pair. It made the story more real. If there was an Omegaverse in real life, I think it would be like this.
Para siyang yung wolf sa Twilight, paghanap na nila yung pair nila.
True. Oo.
Yung paalagaan niya from the beginning to the end na siya lang nakikita. It
Oo.
does always have to be like love.
Oo. But it's
To take care of that
it's
person.
like the center of the universe. So ganun siya. So
Na
you're
like is
willing
everything.
you're willing to do anything and everything just to be with that person.
Oo.
So very
Girls, ako yung concept na yun ng
Oo.
So, dyan siya magmamatch. Yung parang
so yun. That's why I liked it. So that is all for our BL at CBTL. Bye!